first of all, special thanks to Jai Swarajya TV who has been covering our protest since day one. First, I want to ask all the parents one question. As a girl child, do you think your child is safe working? When your child goes to the workplace, then there has to be some amount of safety. So in your house and at your workplace, these are the two places where a girl feels safe. So if those places are not safe enough for us to work, and second point అనేది ఇప్పుడు అభయకి జస్టిస్ మొత్తం రావాలి, అప్పుడు దాకా మేము ప్రొటెస్ట్ చేస్తాము.
సో జూడాల యొక్క నిరసన ఈరోజు 8వ రోజు కొనసాగుతా ఉంది. దేశవ్యాప్తంగా అభయ మస్ట్ బి జస్టిఫైడ్ అంటూ జూడాలు ముక్త కంఠంతో ముందుకు పోతున్నారు. ఒక జూడాగా దీనిపై మీరు ఎలా స్పందిస్తారు?
ఇప్పుడు మేము ప్రొటెస్ట్ కంటిన్యూ చేస్తాము. ఎప్పటి వరకు పూర్తిగా అభయ జస్టిస్ వచ్చే వరకు సిబిఐ మొత్తం ఇన్వెస్టిగేషన్ కంప్లీట్ అయ్యే వరకు మా ప్రొటెస్ట్ నడుస్తుంది. ఇంకా ఫస్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫీల్ సేఫ్ ఇన్ అవర్ వర్క్ ప్లేస్. వెన్ అ పేషెంట్ కమ్స్ టు అస్, we have to feel safe. We need to have enough security to cover us. So because when she was doing duty, there wasn't enough security to protect her. If there was enough security, then those people who have done it would not have dared to do it to her. So proper security should be there, coverage should be there everywhere, in every single hospital in the country, for every single doctor. There has to be proper protection because we deal with a lot of vulnerable people over here. So when patients come to a doctor, they are in a very weak state of mind. They are worried about themselves. The attendants who come with them are worried about them. So we have to have special protection because we are conveying we might be delivering some bad news to these people. So we have to be safe. If we are not safe, then we will not be able to do our duty properly. We will be worried about not being able to talk to the patients because we will be scared that they might hurt us. So that should not be there. There is proper protection for doctors, and the gruesome incident that has occurred, proper justice for Abhaya has to be there. If it is not occurring, then we will be scared that another incident like this can happen. It might happen to your own children. You have to be very, very sensitive about this issue. All the parents, I ask you, as a girl child today, then do you feel safe if your girl goes over there and works and is not safe in her own workplace? She goes, she does night duties and she is not feeling safe over there. What if something happens to her? Will you even stay quiet over there? That is my question.
And still how many days the Juda hesitation regarding the justified the Abhaya? Still how many days it will go?
Till the day we get justice, we will be on protest.
Save a life. Download UBlood app. UBlood for the new blood.